In this tutorial, I'm going to show you on the project scheduling in BuildSpace. A project must be in the post-contract stage for you to proceed with generating the project scheduling. Click BuildSpace logo and click on the project management module. Choose and double-click to your project. Then, create the schedule of your project, for example, master plan. Double-click master plan to enter. Here, firstly, you need to set the date and milestone for the whole master plan. Then, you can proceed to create the activities. You can use the indent and outdent function wherever necessary. You can also update the dependency of the activities to one another. Now you can see the Gantt chart is updating based on the information that you have keyed in. To edit the task details, you can click on the pencil icon here and you can choose to include the start date and end date of these particular activities. Our system allows the project scheduling to be tagged to the BQ. To do so, click on the build items up here, then click tag build items. You can choose which build items to tag to the schedule, then click save. When you scroll to the right, you can also key in the productivity, number of gang, and even to change the working hours per day. Once you are done, click Task Detail and update the duration based on the productivity and also the total cost. So let's say that you have completed tagging build items to your project schedule. You can easily generate the S-curve from it. Click Charts and choose the cost versus time. You can see the S-curve is generated for you to monitor the cash flow and the work progress for your project. To update work done on the schedule, open Task Editor and click Build Items. When you scroll to the right, you can update the actual work done by percentage. The interesting part is, any updates made in the project scheduling will sync to your progress claim in your BQ. So, when you open your project in the post-contract module, you can see that the work done has been updated. Same goes to your update in the post-contract module. It will auto-update the work done in your project scheduling. You can also update the work progress based on percentage in the schedule by opening the task editor and update the progress by percentage. Then click Save. You can see the progress update in your Gantt chart here. To print the project schedule, click Print. The system will annotate those activities who is behind schedule in red color as shown. You can also switch to actual progress view. Here, you can start to compare the progress if you maintain the current work progress.